Hello everyone. Now in this video we will understand how actually we can do a text modification. If you have to transform your text column, then how actually you can do that. So suppose I have this month name column. Here I have to modify this text column. So how actually I can do that? So you have to click that. Go to the transform. In the transform we get a three option. One is a format, second is the extract, third is the pass. These three option will help to modify your text. So we'll start with the extract. So click on the extract. You can see, suppose you want to know the what is the length of the particular column, what is the length of each character. So if you click here, right, so month name, you can see it got converted into the what is the length of the each name. So July, right, so that's why it is showing the 4. Similarly, it is showing for the what is the length of the each column. Now this is how actually you can modify your text. Now you want to revert back, so you can see in the right side, right, the apply steps. So you can just cut it. This will be come back. So for the July it was showing 4, for the February it was showing the 8, right? So if you want to know the length, you can do that. Now the second option is like first character. So if I click on the first character, so suppose I want to know the first three character. So I will just write the first three character I want to know. Now you can see the first three character it is showing. So that kind of the apply we can do. Now I will just cut it. Now I will show you. Suppose you want to know the last three character only you want to see. So click on the last character. Last four character I want to see. So I will write the 4. Now only the last four character will be shown to you. Now I'll just click it. Now what is the next option? Next option is range. Now suppose based on the certain range you want to see. So I want to see from the 2 to 4. 2 to 4 I want to see. If you click that, only 2 to 4 that particular character it will show. Based on the certain range the name will be shown to you. I'll just cut it, and suppose let's see another option, text before delimiter. So what actually I will do for this, I will use a customer. I'll go into the customer table. Now suppose your business wants this customer name, right? They want to see the first name and the last name in a new column. So how actually you can do that? So click on this, click on the add column. We want to add a new column. Now you can see here also the extract is coming. Now if you will write the text before delimiter, now in this particular column, if you have to first name and the last name, if you have to separate, so you can see space is there. Based on the space we can separate the first name and last name, right? So what actually I will use, click that, click on the text before delimiter. So in the text before delimiter, based on the space I want to separate, so I have just selected the space, click on the OK. Now you can see what is before the space, what is the whatever the character was there, right? So that actually it is showing. Now similarly for the last name, what actually I can do, click on the extract text after delimiter. So whatever the text after the space, right, that I want to see, so that will give me the last name. So this is the first name, you can write first name. This you can write a last name, first name, last name, like that actually you can do. Now in extract we have another option, text between. So in between if you want to see any character, that also we have option. So if you have to do any modification, right, so in extract column these are the option we get. Now we will understand about the format. So in a format, so suppose this first name, right, this first name, if you want to convert everything in a lowercase, so select the lowercase, this will be converted into a lowercase. So you can see we are in the add column, so that's why the new column is getting converted. So but suppose you want to modify in the same column, so go into the transform, go to the format, you will click on the lowercase, it will convert into the lowercase. Suppose you want to convert into uppercase, click on the uppercase, everything will convert into the uppercase. So suppose if you want to capitalize each word, means first letter you want to have in a capital letter, rest in the lowercase, so click on the capitalize each word. So you can see the first letter only is a capital letter. Similarly, if you want to trim, if you want to remove any space, so you can click on the trim and it will remove the space. suppose you want to clean that, suppose at the rate, question mark, these are the things are there that we want to clean, for that you can use a clean. Now we have a add prefix. Suppose you want to add a mister, like prefix you want to add or suffix you want to add, that you can use that. So that is the format option. Now the third option we get for the text modification, that is a parse. So parse generally we use if you have a XML or the JSON data, and that data if you want to parse, then we use a parse. So this is the third option. So for the text modification, these are the three options which is important. So I hope you got the idea.